What is going on, guys? About ready to cook some dinner here tonight, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to cook fresh fish. This is a super simple recipe. This is going to be fresh fish patties, and all you need is some fish, some mayo, shredded Parmesan cheese, and an egg. The first thing we're going to do is boil some water. The water is boiling now, so I'm going to throw some fish in. You don't want to put too many in at a time, so you can see they'll quit boiling, the water cooled down a little bit. So it only takes a few minutes to do this. It'll start flaking apart. .450 grams of fish, so I'm going to use 4.5 servings of Parmesan, and I'm going to use 4.5 servings of mayo, and an egg. I'm going to season this with salt, garlic, and parsley. And now I'm going to mix it up. Next, I'm going to heat up a pan. I'm going to cook these on medium-high heat, and now I'll just make them into patties and brown them on both sides, and they'll be all done. And now we're going to make these into patties. And if they don't seem like they're sticking together well, you can always add some kind of flour or flour substitute to them until the consistency is good. Just gonna get them nice and golden brown on one side and give them a flip. These are done. And now they're done. They are so tasty. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like and a share, and I will see you on the next video.